Chai!
Osa no boy.
Papa.
Say this man no there around.
Papa.
You swallow speaker. What's happen? You know they don't say the girls self they need rest. They rest at bed to stop making noise.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome. Idobalo Shewa. Also where they smile and no said. Where my money where you dey owe me?
Papa, Shey every time they owe you money.
Which one be Shey every time you dey owe me money? Nah, the girls don't dey lie. Shey every time the girls don't dey lie. Wetin you come for today?
Baba, I'm here for something special. You know, see, as Christmas they come now, I don't have anything to feed my family. Even my wife said I don't get anything. So Baba, please, I know that you can do it now.
But January to December, you don't have anything. So what do you want me to do for you now? I want to come.
Baba, please, just give me some small charm that I can use to be disappear to everywhere. So, you understand that?
You say no more. I will help you. You see this leaf? It's direct from the gods of Ogologo. Small but mighty, Atakere, you don't have it.
Making this one.
You still they doubt things. Shebi charm where they give you before, no they work. Now why you still they come here every time? Okay, see this leaf where they your hand. No doubt am at all. Carry this leaf where they your hand. Put am for your pocket. Go the store where you want go. Where you get here, carry the goods where you want carry. Carry this leaf, use and touch your mouth 3 times. Oh, shall no boy. You disappear, come out. Go back, party. He said down.
Baba, I know they doubt your word, but you sure say this one will work for me.
Maybe the ones where they give you 6 months, they work now, and I make you still they come.
They work.
Will you keep quiet?
Come on, get out of this place, daddy. Get out. They go.
I mean, I got test on here.
Oh God, say make you go. I'll knock you to you.
I will see you soon, Mama.
They call you, can't do free chance till they tell me whether I go. What people when they tell me better money.
Chai!
Apostle, we hear of this.
So now you don't come here, come steal my thing, Abi. Now you don't know where you come. Hey, Ofe Feje, Ofe Fiwe. It's okay. Hadi Orimio, Baba Agba.
Thank you. Osa no boy. Egbami. I bring this one the place. Look at that. Drop everything. Drop everything. It's like your brain is doing about my water. Brain is doing
It's you that you've been putting me inside Gracie.
No. I hear me.
Everyone, you come and steal my this thing. I want to kill this one.
You enjoy what you enjoy.
This way, I may give a chance. You enjoy what you enjoy.
You don't enjoy it. I want you to kill him. I want you to kill him.
You want to stop romancing me, John?
Baba, the guy that did that for people they see me. For now, me and you. Come on.
You see what you come. My wife, I will use you to talk about. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to M-Star Comedy TV on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to M-Star Comedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment. Thank you very much.